Your daughter playing with you?
Yes, she is.
Can I open the door?
Yep, just not too big.
What you doing? What you got?
She was crawling and then she saw it. She figured it out on her own.
What is that?
Babe.
Yeah.
Babe.
She's so hard to say.
She's explaining to you what it is.
What is it? Wow.
Yay, Zoe!
Yay.
She can't reach. Crawl towards it. Get closer. Yay, Zoe! Yay! That's right. You clap for yourself.
Yeah, because like I could do that.
Yeah. Get it. Wow. Yeah.
She's like, I could do it. Good job. She's telling you something. I don't know what she's saying. It's like she's looking at you like, did you see that? Did you see what it did? Hi. All right.